So I definitely just recorded a 20-minute video and I didn't press record. So I'm going to do this as fast as possible because I'm freaking mad right now. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. I ended up taking a crap load of trades today. I'm going to be going over what we ended up doing in the Discord as well as the upcoming game plan for tomorrow. Let's get into it. So first things first, guys. My first trade of the day, you could probably tell because we do this so often. Of course, we shorted 489. Our key level, the absolute high of day. I caught this trade twice. I'm going to show you on the 1 minute. You probably can't even tell on the 1 minute, but my microphone was off. I was having technical difficulties this morning, so I ended up shorting as soon as we came up to 489. I ended up selling for a few $100. Got back in live on the Discord, guys. Alerted this trade and ended up being the exact high of the day. What else I ended up doing? I ended up buying calls around 487.70s in around here. Ended up making money on that. And there was a bunch of other trades I ended up taking, guys. Today wasn't my best trading day. I extremely over traded today. And I wasn't proud of myself. The first few trades I was getting, guys, I was just banging them out like win. And I was full of myself. I'm like, yo, I'm so hot right now. I'm going to keep going. And then I ran into two instances today where I literally flipped red. And I'm going to be going over exactly what trades ended up getting. So our major key level that we had, guys, 486.96, 487. You see this floor that we ended up having? You see this big candle that comes down? Yeah, I'm the dude that buys calls on the breakout of a trend. This broke the trend, right? So usually the next candle follows through. I got in early just because I was live, and I ended up, since I was up, I was already up a few grand on the day because I sold my 419 puts, guys, and I don't know, every trade I was taking was going so well, so I'm like, screw it. I got in early like an idiot, and it ended up going against me. I did not have safe contracts. I started with 25 and ended with 100 at the bottom, just for me to make like $250 on this trade. Even though it ended up printing, I would have made a few thousand if I held. It was a long hold, and since I had a bad entry, I was tripping out the whole time because I went from extremely green to potentially red on the day. So I ended up selling this move, guys. I sold on this first candle because I went in so heavy at the bottom. Could have made a lot of money. The next trade I ended up getting into, guys, was calls. I ended up getting calls around the VWAP, around 487, like 41, 25 contracts. Because I was up on the day. I'm like, I'm going like, guys, YOLO trade. Look at the move that I got screwed in. I started with 25 contracts, ended with 200 at the top for me to make $200 again. And that comes from not waiting for the best setups. We had FOMC minutes today. And the first thing I heard Jerome Powell say was we are uncertain about inflation. Extremely bearish. I knew regardless of what was going to happen, the market is going to sell off because the news was bearish. The market does not like uncertainty. But we ended up having a rip first, and I got caught on that rip. I ended up doing a YOLO trade that I alerted to the Discord with 25 contracts and ended with 200 to make $200. Pretty much as soon as I flipped green, I just sold immediately. And that's both those plays today and went from me being up a couple grand to down on the day from just strictly over trading. I want you guys to learn from my lesson. Just because you're on fire and you keep trading, you keep winning, one trade will take everything away. I learned my lesson today. I'm extremely grateful to have a four-figure day on the day today, considering the chart wasn't the best, but I wasn't proud of my discipline today, and I own up to that, okay? Even though I'm green on the day, I own up to trading sloppy today. I was so hot, I just kept making and banging off trades. It kept being winners. I can't even tell you the trades I took because I don't even remember the trades I took. That's how many I took today, and I'm not proud of that. So moving forward, guys, I'm not going to do that anymore. I am a professional, guys. I am extremely green on the day, but there was two instances that I got caught in today, having a biased mindset and buying in early that I flipped red when I should not have flipped red. So I own up to that, guys. But that was pretty much the day today. We ended up getting a couple bangers today. Even though I'm green today, I'm not proud of it, but we'll take it, okay? It's better than red. Let's go over the game plan for the upcoming week, for the rest of the week. What am I looking at for a short? I have two positions right now that I want you guys to pay attention to for a short. This previous floor, we have two previous floors available right now. First one, 486.50. Second one, 486.96. This is a 50-cent range, but this was the previous floor. This was the previous floor. This was the previous roof. This was the previous roof. This is what I'm looking at for a short position. On the downside, what am I looking at? For calls, 480. It's 480. And as Dimitri showed to the Discord today, guys, we're on a 4-hour uptrend line. We are literally at the 4-hour uptrend line. It is either the best level possible to be buying calls at, or we gap down tomorrow and sell off to 460. That's the level we're at right now. We decided not to take any swings other than our SPXS that we ended up buying at 1060, guys, 1061. I got in at 1060. Look where we bought, guys. Dimitri, myself, and Options Doctor, we literally bought SPXS at the lows. I'm up so much right now that I can sell, but this is the plan. I am sticking to it. The 6-month, 12-month plan, guys. I told you guys I am playing with money that I owe the government. So I'm keeping it in here and trying to make as most as possible off the money that I have to dish out. So I continue to hold this. I personally think we can get 60 to 100% range in the next year. We'll see how it goes. But right now, yeah, definitely up a few $1,000s. I could have sold, and I personally decided not to. I'm going to be watching the 4-hour uptrend line. Once we break that, I'm going to hold, and hopefully we can get $12, $13, $14, get SPX to that level, and I'm going to sell that, right? I'm going to sell for 20, 30, 40, 50%. No issues with that. And that is everything, guys. We did just start tonight. We changed and restructured the company, guys. We have a basic membership going for $9.99, and we also have a premium membership going for $149. The $149 entails Gundy, Dimitri, myself, and Options Doctor. We're going to be live streaming and live trading and showing our screens from 12 to 4 every single day. 12 p.m. Eastern time to market close every single day. This is something that I wanted to implement because we have so much help in the Discord. Gundy and Dimitri, and Options Doctor and Amber. There's so many people helping the Discord, guys, that I wanted to create a company that pays everyone. I want everyone to get paid for their time, and this is something we've implemented, which is a ton of value. It's underpriced 100%. It's worth so much more, but this is a starting level, right? So starting on Monday, we have a 12 p.m. Eastern time to 4 p.m. Eastern time market close, guys. Live streaming all day with all the moderators. And that's what we plan to move forward. If you are a lifetime member or you're locked in on the monthly memberships, guys, nothing changes for you guys. The basic membership, guys, you still get myself, Gundy, Dimitri, and Mo in the mornings, guys, until I leave, right? Nothing changes. You get access to the chat. The only feature that is added and that is not mandatory is the premium section where you have live moderators, live multi-millionaires from trading specifically to teach you guys and to give you the walkthrough of the market for the rest of the day. That's something we want to add, something we implemented, and I'm very proud of it, and I'm very happy for Gundy and Dimitri and everyone to finally be compensated for their time. So that is everything, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it. We got big things coming, guys. I'm so excited to show you guys. We just need a couple more weeks, and then you guys will know what we've been working on behind the scenes. But that's everything, guys. Take care, and I'll see everyone tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes before market open. Take care.